Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom, we're talking about the word globalization. And in Hebrew, we have a loan word. The Academy of the Hebrew Language hasn't invented a word for globalization in Hebrew, and the people have not come up with an idea for this. So if you have a new idea and it sounds Hebrew, please send it to the Academy of the Hebrew Language. So in English, globalization, and in Hebrew, let's say it like slow, globalizacja, globalizacja. And let's say it like a normal human being, globalizacja, globalizacja, globalizacja. The adjective is global, and here we have a Hebrew word, globali, like the loan word, or in Hebrew, klal olami, klal olami. It's from two words. Klal is like the whole, klal, and olami is from the word olam. Olam is world, and together klal olami, but this is the adjective for global. But globalization, only this, globalizacja. You will find links to selected lessons in the description box below: Hebrew, alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.